Hello student, welcome to DSS online classes. I am your EVS teacher Chandni Singh and today we will read chapter 5 Anita and the Honeybees. You will also read this chapter at your home. Now start. My name is Anita Kuswaha. I live in Bochahar village. This is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. I stay with my parents and two younger brothers. I study in college. Beside studying, I teach young children. I also keep honeybees. All this has not been easy for me. When I was young, I used to spend all my time with my goats as they grazed for food. I always wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. Next page. Heading: A Dream of School. One day I peeped into the school in our village. I could not stay away. I silently went and sat down behind the children. I felt so happy. I went home and picked up courage to talk my parents about going to school. But they told me clearly that I could not do so. That day, I cried and cried. One of the teachers in my village explained to my parents why it is important to study. The teacher told them that they would not have to pay anything for my education up to class 8th. The teacher said that it was the right of every child to go to school. Somehow, my parents agreed. I started going to school. I did not get high marks, but I always asked many questions. Turn the page. Staying in school. Time passed, and soon I completed class 5th. I knew that we would need to spend more in class 6. My parents said that it was time for me to leave school, but I wanted to study more. I found a way to do this. I started to teach younger children. From the money that I got, I was able to continue my own studies. One sweet memory. I remember some older boys in my village also used to teach young children. They did not like it when I started teaching. They started to scold and scare the children so that they would not come to me. For some time, all the children except two stopped coming to me, but soon they all came back because I used to teach them with love and care. Turn the page, student. Do you know what is RTE Act? This provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years. Slowly, I started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. My parents also started helping me in my work. My mother used to do all the housework so that I could get more time to study. Here, Anita wants to share a secret to you. This is the secret of Anita. I learned how to ride motorcycle. I did not tell anyone. I fell down and got hurt many times, but I was happy. The next heading is from school to beekeeping. From school to beekeeping. There are many lychee trees in our area. Honeybees are attracted to lychee flowers. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. I thought that I could also do this. I joined a course run by government to learn about this. I was the only girl in this course. During my training, I found that honeybee lays their eggs from October to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. Turn the page, student. Becoming a beekeeper. Becoming a beekeeper. I completed my beekeeping course, but I did not have money to keep my own bees and start work. I continued to teach and with the time could collect 5,000. With this money, I bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. Each box cost 2,000 rupees. With the remaining money, I bought sugar to make the syrup for the honeybees and medicine to clean the beehives. Thank you, student. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.